Brati on the beat, yeah man, Brati. Once again, listen to my thing. I wanna see you happy every day. I do what I do for them to celebrate. I don't even care what do you say to me, but I feel the pain every day. I don't even use the beat because I'm doing this. I start using the beat because I need you to feel my music. I see myself, I'm going down like music. Yeah, so good. I'm a basolo ko bendusa. Things and time can be kongeni. I always say that it's not easy for me. Every day when I do my thing, when there's someone who came in my way, you wanna step me, but I see, I feel the pain to do this thing. Yeah, it's not easy for me. I'm on the basolo ko bendusa. Utanga ni sanchana, yabakale, ukuspisela mahlahla yena enje notata mara umenungo tu hamba nabo friend ngoba uyazi ukuthi ziyakhipha amanisi basolo babentisa. I don't even give a damn cause I know everyone used to say this. Yeah, it's me again on the beat. I see myself, I'm going down like this. I wanna see you, yeah man. If you are happy, I'm so happy. You wanna see wanna so baby. If you are happy, I'm also happy. You wanna see wanna so baby. If you are happy, I'm also happy. You wanna see wanna so baby. If you are happy, I'm also happy. You wanna see wanna so baby. If you are happy, I'm also happy. You wanna see wanna so baby. If you are happy, I'm also happy. If you wanna see wanna so baby. If you are happy, I'm also happy. If you wanna see wanna so baby. Yeah. Exact kanga magama ndukunike sabu ngasikwashi mkalila ukutalila ukutani ngobazalani mfanumikesela amanisi basalo besisabele nsunumakalila yeah andingeni dawo into abasenzayo ngoba namtali ngoba namzisi. I'm back in the beat, I feel myself going down like this, I feel the pain, do what you do, mara yasku zotana. I'm also happy, vile bona basu kama yasku vile bona basu kana. Ana msebeti, goba niya basu, bona baba ya basu, nana baya jani, kama zumabona. Aba niti vile mina di, yasku na bati, vile di, I'm happy, if you are happy. Ndifuna sibe happy, masijabule yenze kube mnandi ngoba siyazi ukuthi uphila once in this life. Akho insurance, mara uyaphila ilife yakho uyayipusa. PS